Hello everyone and welcome. This video I'm going to walk you through how to use Apollo Email Finder for hyper targeted cold email leads in 2025. So we know that cold emailing could be more effective, with most emails being ignored or deleted. The lack of results can be frustrating and discouraging for sales professionals. So Apollo offers a solution by enabling hyper-targeted lead generation, increasing the chances of your emails being seen and acted upon. In this review, we're going to guide you through how to use Apollo Email Finder in 2025. Let's first understand what it is. Think of Apollo as a super smart sales sidekick. It's a platform that is packed with loads of tools to help you find and connect with the right people. Let's look at the key features. We have Email Finder. Let's look at the features. So for the features, we have Email Finder. Coming. Also have Apollo AI. We have AI sales automation. We have integration and security. So under Email Finder, this is where the magic happens. Apollo has a massive database of business email addresses. You just select what you're looking for and to dig it up, to help you dig up their contact info. So no more guessing or sourcing the internet. And also it has lead enrichment, which means it doesn't just stop at email addresses. It gives you the scope on your leads, their job title, company info, and even their social media profiles, which will help you tailor your outreach and make a real connection. We also have sequence and automation. Under sequence and automation, you just imagine having your own personal assistant who sends out perfectly timed follow-up emails. That's what Apollo automation does. It keeps your lead warm without you lifting a finger. We also have the Apollo Chrome extension, and this too lets you grab contact info right from company websites or LinkedIn. It's like having a lead finder superpower. You can simply find it on the Chrome Web Store. In a nutshell, Apollo is your all-in-one tool for finding, understanding, and connecting with potential customers. It's like having a sales team in your pocket. Now, how do you set up your Apollo account? To create an account, you can sign up for free by clicking on sign up for free. So you put in your basic info. You can start using your work email or your Google or Microsoft. So example, I want to use Google. I'm going to mark this. So you have to put in the email address, and you put in the password. I've already signed in before, and then you click on sign up and next to sign you in. It's very simple. So once you're in, you'll be redirected to the dashboard. So take a quick tour of the dashboard. It may look overwhelming at first, but you'll get the hang of it. So think of it as your control center for finding and managing leads. So under this dashboard, we have quick search, home, people, companies, list, data enrichment, like we talked about before, sequences, where you can create automated multi-step outreach campaigns targeting contacts. So under people, you can search for people with precision using the robust filter. This will talk about searching for contacts here. This was used for searching for the contacts. So under the other option we have here, okay, network counseling. Under companies, you can search for companies with precision using the robust filter. We have the list also. So welcome to your own list to help you organize your prospects and start targeting campaigns. Pick a template and create a list for people or a company. Next, we have data enrichment, which helps you enhance and refine records and get updates on contacts who have recently changed jobs. We have the sequence, I've mentioned that before. We have the onboarding hub, we have settings, and that's it. So, you can also use the Chrome extension. All you have to do is grab it from the Chrome web store and install it to make your life so much easier. If you're already using a CRM, that's a customer relationship management tool, you can also connect or integrate it with Apollo. So, bonus tip, Apollo has different pricing plans. Let's look at them. Click on upgrade and you're able to go to the planning plans. So, we've used the planning plan. You should actually not use because we have different types. We have the basic, which is the free, and then we have this is the basic actually, this is the free, professional, and we have the organizational. Now, if you go for the basic to the free, which explore the platform to find lead, manage pipeline, and close deals, you get 1,200 credits per year, 2 sequences, LinkedIn, Gmail, and Salesforce extension and basic filters. But if you go for the $49 plan, which is called the basic plan, it will help you take prospecting outreach and deal management to the next level. You get 6,000 credits per year. You can even add more credits and you get 2 sequence, LinkedIn, Gmail, Salesforce extension, advanced filters, CRM integration, schedule meetings, 6 intent topics and intent filters, and enrichment for data and CRM. If you go for a professional plan, it helps to optimize your sales process with multi-touch outreach, AI, and automation. You pay $9, but you get 120,000 credits per year, unlimited sequences, LinkedIn, Gmail, Salesforce extension, advanced filters, CRM integration, unlimited round-robin meetings, 6 intent topics and intent filters, enrichment for data and CRM, US dialer, 5 mailboxes per user, automated workflows, AI research intelligence, call recordings and AI insights about 4,000 minutes, and pre-built advanced reports and dashboards. If you go for the organization plan, you can transform go-to-market with advanced tools, custom solutions, and expert help. You pay $119 per user per month, minimum of 3 users. And once you enjoy the 180,000 credits per year, you can add more credits. You also enjoy unlimited sequence, LinkedIn, Gmail, and Salesforce extension, advanced filters, CRM integration, unlimited round-robin meetings, 12 intent topics and intent filters, enrichment for data and CRM, US dialer and national dialer, 15 mailboxes per user, automated workflow, AI research intelligence, call recordings and AI insight about 8,000 minutes, pre-built advanced reports and dashboard, customizable reports and dashboard, advanced security configurations, and single sign-on. So, what are credits? Credits are the things that give you access to emails, phone numbers, and enriched data, helping you connect with prospects and enhance your CRM. So under email, you quickly access contact verified emails for your outreach efforts. Under phone number, you can access verified phone numbers and directly connect with your prospects. Under enriched data, you can enhance your contact profile with enriched data for better targeting. You have to customize your credits. Credits are shared across users, so select how many credits you would like for your team. You select your credits for the team. So this is a really good app, especially by over 100,000 professionals on the world's best companies. It's a really good platform. You can get testimonies from ask questions or here.